Welcome back to LeetCode Unlocked. Today's problem is LeetCode 3333. Find the original typed string, second 2. We'll solve this using character grouping, combinatorics, and dynamic programming. You're given a grouped string where repeated characters are compressed. Your task is to find how many original strings could result in the same grouped form, such that no group exceeds a maximum size k. To solve it, 1. First, group repeated characters from the string. 2. Multiply group sizes to get total unrestricted combinations. 3. Use dynamic programming to subtract invalid combinations where a group split exceeds k. Let's take an example. Input: AAABB. K is 2, grouped as 3, 2. So the unrestricted combinations, 3 times 2, 6. Now we use a sliding window DP approach to count how many ways each group could be split without exceeding k. This helps us identify and remove invalid groupings. In code, we group characters using a loop and store counts in a vector. Then, we calculate the total by multiplying group sizes. After that, we use a DP array of size k, updated for each group using prefix sum optimization. We accumulate invalid combinations by summing extra splits beyond the group count. Finally, subtract invalid from total and return the result modulo 1e9 plus 7. Time complexity is O n times k and space is OK using a dynamic programming array. That's how we solve find the original typed string 2. Like, share, and subscribe for more clean breakdowns from the NeetCode and LeetCode series.